Watch AI create a venture investment portfolio dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with: venture capital investments, valuations, and portfolio metrics. Let's create it live. We start by importing our venture capital data file. Bricks instantly analyzes the information and begins generating intelligent visualizations. The AI identifies key metrics like investment amounts, valuations, industry distributions, and portfolio performance across different stages. It's creating multiple chart types: time series for investment trends over time, pie charts for portfolio allocation breakdowns, bar charts comparing industries, and detailed tables for performance analysis. Our venture investment portfolio dashboard is now complete with 5 dynamic charts and 2 comprehensive tables covering everything from investment stages to top performers by valuation. We can instantly customize the visual theme to match our brand preferences. Now let's explore presentation mode. This transforms our dashboard into a full-screen professional presentation perfect for investor meetings or board reviews. The clean interface removes all editing elements, focusing entirely on our data insights and key performance indicators. We can navigate between different sections seamlessly. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, modify visualizations, and update data in real time. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.